Hi guys, happy International Women's Day. So, let's celebrate that. Ako, very proud ako to be a woman. Let's celebrate that. Dapat laging sinaselebrate yan. And I'm proud na I'm US citizen. I'm proud that I live in United States. Kasi mahirap sa home country ko. That's why I moved here. So I respect the law at the same time. Oh, by the way, sa mga babae dyan, never ever jealous to other women. Ayan ang number one, guys. Ang dapat mo lang kalabanin, just only person that you need to face is yourself. That's only enemy is yourself. And your sister is not your enemy. Your mother is not your enemy. Your sister is your best friend. I think that's the things I learned before. Like, I always fight with my sister, to my twin sister. Then suddenly, when I hit 30s, I realized she's my best friend. Because she's the only person telling me the truth. Bad thing about me. Kasi pag ang mga tao or some people telling you the bad thing about you, that means they're the one ang totoong tao. They're the real friends. Sila ang mga totoo mong kaibigan. I don't like people telling me the flower words or sweet words. Because for me, it's not authentic. Yes, it's somewhat. It's authentic, but at the same time, for me, it's okay for me if my friends tell me the bad thing about me. If I make mistake or alam nilang mali ako, I want them. Ayun yung na-appreciate ko. Kesa na-appreciate ko, even hindi ko na-appreciate yung mga taong even I'm doing the wrong thing, hindi nila sinasabi sa akin. This means they're not the real friends. I erased those all people. And nag-ended up ako in a very small circle of friends, which is I'm so grateful. And thank God for all the blessing I have right now. Be grateful and thank to the Lord at the same time kasi I was able to buy the house in America, even the Philippines, and able to purchase the car that I wanted. Thank you so much and happy International Women's Day again, and be proud to be a woman. I love you all. With 8 seconds, 5, 4, 3. Now I will do journal and eat.